Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Robinhood versus Coinbase stock. We will explore their core offerings, investment options, and fee structures. Robinhood is well known for its commission-free stock and ETF trading, making it popular for traditional market access. Coinbase, on the other hand, focuses primarily on the vast world of cryptocurrency, providing a gateway to digital assets. Both platforms aim to simplify investing for their users. Robinhood provides access to a variety of investment vehicles, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and options, alongside a limited selection of cryptocurrencies. Coinbase, however, is a dedicated crypto exchange, offering hundreds of digital assets from Bitcoin to various altcoins and stablecoins. Their fee models also diverge, with Robinhood often having zero commission on trades, while Coinbase charges a spread and transaction fees. When it comes to user experience, Robinhood is celebrated for its streamlined, easy-to-navigate interface, making it very accessible for new investors. Coinbase offers a more robust platform with advanced charting tools and order types, catering to more experienced cryptocurrency traders. Both companies emphasize strong security protocols, including two-factor authentication and insurance on certain assets, to protect user investments. Ultimately, your choice depends on your investment goals. Robinhood is an excellent option if you primarily focus on traditional stocks, ETF, and options, valuing commission-free trading. If your interest lies heavily in the diverse and dynamic world of cryptocurrency, Coinbase provides a comprehensive and secure environment. Remember to check the description for links to these platforms and other great deals. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.